Imagine this, an army in the desert. The water is gone. All they have is what's in this vessel. At Hudaybiyah, the companions faced a crisis. No water to drink, none for ablution. The prophet, peace be upon him, took that vessel. He placed his blessed hands into the little water that remained. And then it happened. Water began to flow, not drip, but flow from between his fingers. Every single one of the over 1,500 men drank their fill and performed their prayers. Sahih al-Bukhari records this, a direct divine provision in the harshest place, a miracle of necessity and mercy.